Okay, so you're gonna mirror me and we're gonna make a little peach cobbler. Who doesn't like peach cobbler?
Peach cobbler.
Huh? All right?
I can do this.
All right.
I can do this. All right.
Well, this is really easy, and at the end of the day, you know, this is kind of the peaches were looking good. It's July, I'm feeling it, so let's do it. You know what I'm saying?
I love how he said, I'm feeling it. It's July. I'm feeling it.
So we got this pan, which is buttered and floured, okay? And we got some flour here, all-purpose flour.
Right.
And add some sugar to it. Okay.
Sugar.
Yep.
Check.
Put a little baking powder in there.
Baking powder. Check. Oops.
Okay. Whoops. Don't wear it
Just
now.
watch him.
Don't wear it
Just
now.
watch him.
Don't wear it now.
Yes, sir.
All right. And then we're gonna need a little bit.
Marsala.
Marsala.
I love marsala.
Okay. That's gonna kind of be our binding ingredient.
Gotcha.
2 sticks of butter.
Whoa.
Okay.
Extra mile at the gym tomorrow.
You know it, just a little bit. We'll put our eggs in, egg yolks.
Egg yolks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 egg yolks.
Yep.
It'll be nice and eggy.
Okay, now we're gonna start to like scrunch this by hand.
All right, I'm gonna take off the rings.
All right, yeah, that is
Because that
always
looks like
good.
it's gonna get stuck way on down in there.
And then, you know, as then I'll add the marsala, just, you know, a little bit
As
at a time.
you go.
Exactly.
Ooh, that's chilly. It's kind of refreshing.
No, it's not too bad, not too bad.
Throw a little marsala in
A little
there.
marsala in, kind of mix it up.
Oh,
you
yeah,
know?
now that's moist.
That's it, now that's
Yep.
it. Now it becomes a little easier, and you're trying to make like a paste almost, you know what I'm saying? So we're just gonna mix that up. We got our paste all set, right? Nicey nice.
Yours looks a little more successful than mine. Mine
All
looks
right.
like children's
Put a little
wallpaper.
more marsala in there. That's all right. You know what I'm saying?
Is that what I was going for there, buddy?
We go for a splash. Well, it's going to be soft, and that's the
All
good
right.
thing. So it's going to be a little moist. All right. So now that we got almost like a paste, if you want to say.
Yeah,
gonna
yours
take
doesn't
about-
really look that different.
No, not too bad. Not too bad. Make sure you get all the flour in the end there.
Yeah,
all right?
yeah, buddy.
All right. Mix it right. I don't want to tell you what to do, but. All right. So we're going to take about 3/4 of it, put
Take
it into our bowl.
3/4 of it,
Okay.
put it in here.
And then we're going to kind of like just, yep, kind of flatten it out
And how does one do that?
with your hand.
Oh yeah, now we got both in there.
All right, so we got it. We'll take a little
Yeah.
more. We're gonna push it around. Okay, now that we got our base down, we're gonna lay in our fruit. So we got our peaches. We're just gonna kind of throw them in.
Scatter them around.
That's it.
That's what's great about this. It's pretty, you know, forgiving, let's say.
Absolutely. And the beauty is you could use, like you said, whatever kind of fruit you got laying around. You know, when it's more into fall, use apples. You know,
Sure.
there's a lot you could do with it, so I'm happy with that.
And we were saying that we really love, you know, that little Italian twist, the marsala, the flavor of the marsala and the topping and the bottom and the top, I should say. So now what are we doing?
So we're gonna do like a little checkerboard type of thing, like
A
a tic-tac-toe
checkerboard?
board
Oh,
thing, if you want to say.
Mine was
So we're gonna
drooling
go-
on the...
We're gonna go around
Mine's
it.
more like a little squiggly than a checkerboard. Is that all right with you?
Yeah, and then we're gonna go like this, like this.
Wait, let me catch up.
Tic-tac-toe.
Oh, that was
Yeah.
the bag.
It was the bag, it wasn't me. I promise, I promise. So we're gonna, I need a little more juice. I might have to steal some of yours.
Really?
No, I'm good, I'm good. We got it.
Look, that was a straight line.
You got it, not too bad.
Here, I'm gonna put O here.
Yeah, look, you see that extra.
Here.
Help a brother out, put a little bit over here.
No, I'm playing tic-tac-toe with mine.
Did
and
you win?
I'm winning.
That's because
all
you're
right,
playing
I'll
yourself.
I'll give you the last I got. Looks like an udder. Like,
All right.
come on, Bessie. One more.
All right, so now we're gonna throw these babies in the oven.
Throw these babies in the oven. Check.
We're gonna go about 350.
About 350
I'd say you're gonna go about an hour.
for about an hour.
Okay?
Grab the muffin.
And then,
And it's gonna look like this.
voila.
Ta-da!
Let me put it over here, right?